2:49. I videotaped it yesterday. These guys are out working very diligently. Doing a great job. I can't believe all this stuff that they got up already. I may have power today. Because this is all the stuff I was looking at. They're doing what they gotta. It's pretty wild. These guys don't screw around. I cannot believe they have all this stuff up.